It was December 1914. Thomas Edison was 67 years old. His entire research complex in New Jersey, years of work, prototypes, chemicals, irreplaceable notebooks, caught fire and burned to the ground. The damage was worth nearly $23 million in today's money. His son Charles ran through the chaos looking for his father, terrified of what he would find. He finally spotted Edison standing near the fire, just watching. Calm, almost peaceful. The next morning, Edison gathered his staff and said, "There is great value in disaster. All our mistakes are burned up. Thank God we can start anew." He was 67, starting over, and he meant every word. Within 3 weeks, his factory was back in production. Within a year, he had rebuilt everything. He did not rage, he did not quit. He looked at the ashes and called them a clean slate. Most of us treat setbacks like they are the end of the story. Edison treated them like the beginning of a better chapter. The Bible says something different about this perspective. It says in the book of Isaiah, "Forget the former things, do not dwell on the past. See, I am doing a new thing." When something is a loss for you, maybe that's a sign that God is working in the background to do better for you. So, what's the fire in your life right now? The loss, the failure, the setback you keep mourning? Stop staring at the ashes. Ask God what He is building next. Because if a 67-year-old man could start over overnight, so can you.